Japanese temple bell bronze Buddhist. This is the real deal. This is really beautiful. And I have a striker down here. Actually, this one's off the other bell that I have for sale, and therefore I'll get one of these. So I will include a striker, will be included, and this particular bell right here, it's a beauty. Let's go over this now. The design of this, and judging by the patina, there's no kanji to tell us. There's no markings, but we are certain that this is 1930s, and due to its design, you'll find there's a slight indentation here, nothing to worry about, and it's just awesome. I mean, its condition is lovely. It's got an amazing, real thick, cool dragons on the handle there. It's just the striking points are just in amazing condition, and it's really something. Had some spiders in there. Had to clean that out. But you see, all the patina is just incredible. This is cool. I guess you want me to shut up and and strike it. Okay, here goes. It was a very light strike, actually. I'll try it behind. Gorgeous. If you strike it just right, it sounds spooky. This particular bell is amazing. It must have spirits in it. Kind of wait till you hear this. Wait till you strike it and find just that point. It's amazing. This has got a sound that's really unique, and it's great. Wow, never heard anything like it. At the end of its reverberation, it's got this kind of mystical, spiritual, spooky kind of something. It's really something. I have no idea if it's picking up on this mic. So I'm using the chamfer of this striker. I'll generally use something slightly lighter, but just a light strike is good for this, and it's the kind of sound you want. And if you get it just right, and right in that center of that striking point, and you'll find it. It's wow. This is wow. So there you are. Right, I'm considering cell economy air. I certainly don't want to send it via sea. Could go by fast air, but that's more expensive. Cell would be just right for this, and it's really something. It's wow. Oh, I want to strike it one more time. Just one more time. Just one more time. There you in gorgeous condition. As I say, a little bit of indentation there, not much, nothing to worry about. It may have taken a tumble at some stage in its life, but it's really something. Well, okay, that's it. I'm not going to strike it anymore. The next person to strike it will be you, and hopefully, I'd like to keep it for a little bit longer, actually. Wow. All right. Antique dealers are antique dealers. They must learn to let go. Okay. There you are.